Musa must be suffering, okay? Seeing his grooming tendencies not working out for him. Imagine the girl that was shying the scoop is now blocking you on WhatsApp. Hmm? Uthatha bana ngiyanamukela kwenqubo yami bomtaba kadadi bomtaba kagogo bomtaba ka-anti bomtaba kasisi. I am Sims and it's at the right Sims on Instagram, so please follow your sister. I also promote businesses and YouTube channels. I'm sorry, Kamukhala, I have got you covered. Okay, welcome to my cafe. Don't touch anything. Don't touch anything. No, just look. And if you see an advertise, it's in your mind. It's not on the screen. Also, the new season of Utando Nestembu, I Sana, Umusamseleko, and Tobile. It's deeper than ever. Okay? We always thought that Utobile is going to leave Umusa, but Tobile has made it clear that she's not going anywhere, but instead she's going to frustrate Umusa in this marriage ever since he took number five, Makwela Kwela Tepsa, Kwela Mama, Kwela. That's the only Kwela we recognize because Sana, this girl, do you see my sister? That this man is not who you think he was. Even Mayeni said, Hore, shame, Sisi, you think you are seeing a handsome guy. It's going to start like a dream, but as the dream progresses, you eventually say, Hore, this is a vampire movie, and I'm the one that's going to get beaten here by Musa's vampire teeth. Before I carry on, guys, yesterday I was talking about content creation, right? And content creators. There is a beautiful, stunning girl that I bumped into on Instagram. Her name is Nikita Plugs. Please check her out. So I love Louis Vuitton with everything in me. Like Louis Vuitton and Chanel are one of my favorite brands. My dream is to go to the Louis Vuitton cafe, seeing this girl being South African and live out my dreams in real life. And then I just started going on her page and scrolling. I fell in love more and more with her. Please check her out. She plugs you with different spots you can go to. It's still Valentine's month. If you didn't get that gift, Sana, go on Nikita's page. You might get some inspo. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful girl, beautiful content. Nababona bomakhelwane makenza mina ividiyo sekunenkulumo. No, but anyway, guys, I'm gonna leave her link. Please, just go there for some inspo. I'm inspired, guys. Now my bucket list has grown bigger because I wanna go. Yeah, it's so stunning. It's so stunning, Nikita. Please, this is a big shout out from me to you. I love, love, love your page. This is so on yesterday's episode, right? Umusa Mseleko went to Mangwabe's house to get some advice from Mangwabe since Mangwabe is very close to Umakumalo and Umusa just wanted a neutral person. So, Umusa Mseleko, you know that he buys cars for his wives, right? Shapu. Now, he wanted to buy a car for Umakwela, but he didn't want to tell us that he wants to get a car for Umakwela. And then Makumalo happened to be the brand ambassador for that car brand that he was trying to get the car for Makwela for, allegedly, apparently. So there was a big, big argument that ensued between Umusa and Makumalo. Makumalo saying, you ain't gonna get it. If you're getting it for your new wife, leave me, leave my money, leave my brand, leave my name out of it. Because we all know that Makumalo is allegedly a big financial contributor to the Mseleko household. Anyway, so Umusa said, "Khori, this when this argument came about, Umusa was like, this girl is trying to overrule me. And they anyeke Makumalo uphumelele because mina ngumusa Mseleko guy one, guy two, go flow, guy three, ngithwele." He didn't say utwele. But the way he said, Makumalo forgets that these are my assets and I know where to touch to make them accessible and I know where to touch to make them unaccessible. What does that mean? It's giving anaconda under the bed vibes. It's giving I have a snake in a dark room vibes. Anyway, so he was like, Umakumalo is getting here and then ngizomhlisa. And then Umango was trying to be neutral. I see where Makumalo is coming from and I see where you are coming from. And Musa is really trying to play dirty because tell me why he's also involving Umpilo So, guys, we all know that Umpilo is not Makumalo's biological child, right? She is another Tobile's daughter, who had relations with Umseleko, and they produced this album called Mpilo. Mpilo, but now was raised in the Mseleko homestead by Umakumalo. Because Makumalo, we all know that she does not have a child, but she is a mother to Umpilo and has raised Umpilo very well. Umpilo is now an independent working woman working for a big car brand, right? So Umusa is like, okay, this child wants my surname and I must have a ceremony for her. But if Umakumalo is carrying on like this, I'm not going to have a ceremony. And Umpilo seems like she is taking sides. She is siding with Umakumalo. And for as long as she does that, I'm not going to have the ceremony. And then Umangwa was like, why are you involving Umtwana? And Umtwana is your blood. Why wouldn't you have a ceremony for Umtanako to welcome her home officially? And he's like, ceremonies work with the heart. If your heart is bitter, if your heart is sour, like a lemon of Bab Spears or Stella Izio, you can't have ceremonies. Then Umonga was like, leave the child out of it. Have what you have going on, Nomakumal, but don't involve Umpilo. And then Umsulek was like, oh, you and Makumalo are close because the other day I was here with you. I saw your phone charging and it beeped and there was a message from Makumalo calling me a core narcissist. She's like, after everything I did to fight for this girl, I fought with my wife, Mateli, to have this girl live comfortably in this household. Today she calls me a core narcissist because I'm fighting for Makwela. Not just a narcissist, but a core narcissist. Natio Umusa Uya Baselek. Like I think he can't believe that his protege. Because guys, we remember on the earlier seasons of Kutano Nistem, Makumalo was a pygmisha. She was always on the husband's side. Even when the wives were fighting tooth and nail, he was like, "Oh, baba, ulwazi, ngiyamthanda." She could see like nothing wrong. Musa could do no wrong in Makumalo's eyes. Makumalo was like that girl that frustrated me. I was like, yo, Sissy, this man is pulling the wool over your eyes. But then, as soon as he did what he did to her, because Umakumalo asked Umusa, can we do the IVF process? I'm just asking you to not use your force for 2 weeks only, which is hard for a man in a polygamous relationship, just so we can get the correct count of your spermtacular for me to do this IVF. Musa said, sorry. And then Makumla was like, in everything that you do, please don't date girls that have my surname or girls that are where I'm from. Musa was like, let me just impregnate not once, but twice. Let me just take a girl from your hood because you were raised so well. So now I want someone from your hood because I see how well you were raised. And guys, we are raised in our homes. Just because we're Kloof, it does not mean that when you leave me, you will get another girl from Deep Kloof and she will treat you good. No, Musa. So I feel like Kumalo is like now going through that revenge but quiet war because she's like, you disrespected me so much and you think I'm gonna still be your sweet kind girl. Oh no, sweetie, this is not Anaconda. This is actually the Fast and the Furious Tokyo Drift. I'm gonna drift on your head and zobona a freeway yasemzumbe. Guys, who be easy. If you are invested in Utano Nestembu, tell me in the comment section down below. You guys like these reviews or you guys don't like these reviews or in nani. Let's talk more down below. I will see you on